Hey everyone! Today we are at America's Rock and Roller Coaster, Cedar Point. I'm going to be riding Wicked Twister's replacement, Wild Mouse, today, and I think I'm going to hop a ride on hopefully Maverick and Raptor. I didn't get to ride those last time I was here. Anyways, let's go do this. Quick little intro there. I am pretty excited to be here, so I just want to cut to the chase. Raptor looks like it is a 5-minute wait. We're going to go hop on that. It's going to be great. Well, Raptor was fantastic. Definitely one of my favorite B&M inverts. And just a great all-around ride. Now, we're gonna go on Gatekeeper or Wild Mouse. I don't know which one. We're gonna go find out. It is a nice 66 degrees Fahrenheit here in Sandusky, Ohio. And the crowds aren't too bad. It is a Monday evening, although could be worse. Could be a lot worse. Cedar Point is open for about 2 more hours. We're gonna do as much as we can in these 2 hours. We got Raptor done. Let's see what else we can do. All right, next order of business is Gatekeeper. Wait time estimate is 10 minutes. I think it's gonna be a little less than that.
Welcome back. At this time, please unfasten your seatbelt.
Well, just got off Gatekeeper. Easily best B&M in the park. I've said it before and I'll say it again. There is no B&M that tops it in this park. Valraven, great coaster. Raptor, fantastic coaster. Rougarou, I mean it's Rougarou. But this thing's great. This is the best one. Now, it's time to be a Wild Mouse. I am certified salty because I loved Wicked Twister, so my expectations are basically nothing. But we're gonna go into this expecting the worst, and hopefully I'll come out being like, that was a fun little ride, you know? All right, Wild Mouse is a 30-minute wait. So, just got off a Wild Mouse, and I have to say, it was actually not as good as I thought it was gonna be. I was watching it go by, and I'm like, you know what? This is gonna be pretty fun. This is gonna be a fun Wild Mouse. It was painful. It was painful to back. Like, my back hurt on the ride because the seat is extremely hard. The restraint came down on my stomach in a really weird way, and I couldn't breathe. Like, I couldn't take a deep breath on the ride, and I was really uncomfortable. Like, I couldn't catch my breath because it was on my lungs. Yes, Wicked Twister is absolutely the better coaster. But it is what it is. And no, I am not being intentionally negative just to irk the person that commented on my last video. I genuinely just did not like this coaster that much. I just didn't. All right, a little bit of a top Thrill Dragster update. Looks like they've removed a lot more since the last time I was here, which was opening day. And one huge thing. Now, the other night, Cedar Point had this massive crane delivered. This crane is about the size of the crane they used when they originally built Dragster, back when it opened. And these are not cheap to rent. I watched Theme Park Predictions videos, and he's like, yeah, these aren't cheap to rent. Hopefully, track should be coming off of that top hat within the next month or so. And maybe even sometime this summer, we can start seeing some new track being added to the ride, which would be really awesome. Now, the manufacturer of this ride is still a mystery. I am certainly hoping that it's Intamin or even S&S, I think would be awesome. They could put a compressed air launch on this thing. That would actually be really cool. Some people are saying Zamperla. I hope after seeing how Wild Mouse turned out, hot, garbage, and unreliable, that they don't do that, but there's a lot of options that they have. Here's another close look at that crane. We very well could see some progress quite soon. Now, if this new reimagined Dragster reopens and they don't have Ready to Go by Republica playing in the queue, I will find whichever Cedar Fair executive made that call to remove that song from the ride, and I will find them, and some not so nice things will happen. All right, next coaster of the day, Magnum XL 200. No wait. Opening day, I waited 45 minutes for this fantastic hypercoaster, but today we were walking right on. it's worth both wait times. I'd wait 2 hours for this thing. This thing is awesome. Magnum is such a great hyper coaster. Definitely, again, like I said in the opening day vlog, easy top 5 at the park. I went over and utilized my Cedar Fair drink pass, and now we're either gonna hop on Maverick or Steel Vengeance, depending on what the wait times look like. Park closes in exactly 40 minutes. Oh, hey, there's some live music over there. How awesome is that? Anyways, closes in about 40 minutes, and I want to get on both of these. So we're gonna choose the shorter wait time. Hopefully we can hop on the other one before the park closes. All right, first ride is going to be Maverick because it does not look like there's a very long queue wait, maybe about 30 minutes. Then hopefully we can hop on Steel Vengeance. Well, this is a fantastic example as to why you should come to Cedar Point on a weekday before school is back. Well, this did go from, oh, no way, I'm going to get right on Maverick and then right on Steel Vengeance to we are experiencing a brief delay in operation, which is fine because someone got sick and threw up in the front seat. So it's not going to be a very long delay. Hopefully, I got 30 minutes. Hopefully they can clean the mess up and I can go hop on Steel Vengeance right after this. Maverick is perfect. Just perfect. The lift launch, the second launch, all the rapid fire transitions. It's just perfect. It's perfect. I mean, I threw a 5 is better, but this is great. But why is my hair like this? All right, have 10 minutes to go get in line for Steel Vengeance. And the best roller coaster in the world is 30 minutes or less. Well, 10 minutes before the park closes. Might even get a second ride on this. Okay, I'm not gonna get my hopes up, but maybe, just maybe. Opening day, I was waiting in all of this, all of that, and it was still not that long of a line, but yeah. Well, just got the final ride of the night on Steel Vengeance. It is the best roller coaster ever made. I've said it before, said it in my last video, said it in my Cedar Point video before that, Cedar Point video before that. I've said it in every Cedar Point video I've ever made. This is the best roller coaster ever made. And I will stand by it. Seriously. But with that, Cedar Point has closed. It's actually been closed for about 18 minutes now. It took a little longer than initially anticipated. And my Cedar Point day comes to an end. As I take a stroll through the empty Frontier Trail, I enjoy the sights and the smells for one last time this week until I come next week. So look forward to that video. See you guys later.